It's important for companies to be net zero to internalize and manage the non-financial impacts that company might be generating outside of the business, right? So if a company is generating carbon emissions, managing those carbon emissions and actually reducing them and getting them to net zero is important. Why it's important to us as a company is because it allows us to go out and encourage our customers and our stakeholders to be net zero themselves. And so we can walk the walk and then subsequently talk the talk to encourage our customers and subsequently our industries to become net zero themselves. There's a lot of ways to answer that question. Technology is an enabler. Technology is a means to an end, whatever that end might be. And currently, the world is mobilizing here in Scotland to create more sustainable ends. We need to transition to a much more sustainable economy and society overall. So technology needs to be a part of that equation, the ability to enable a more sustainable future. For us at Autodesk, the way that we think about that is the industries that we serve, the built environments, industrial production and manufacturing, are associated with significant carbon emissions. So the ability to encourage our customers and meet their needs and meet their sustainability goals is through our technology. So helping them to determine what the carbon impacts are of whatever project that they're creating, be it a building, a vehicle, or a phone, and then manage those emissions to manage the carbon coefficients to reduce those down is what we are able to do and what we want to do for our customers. So technology has to be part of the solution, and that's why we're here this week. The industries that we serve have a large role to play in creating a more sustainable future, increasing resilience in the face of climate change, and equity among the labor markets that serve those industries specifically. And so when we think about this challenge, we think a lot about our individual customers and how do we leverage industries writ large to be able to move to that future that we want to see that is more sustainable, resilient, and equitable. We can only do so through collective action. We can only do so by amortizing some of the costs of that transition across the industry. And so we look to coalitions to partner with organizations. Also why we're here at COP26 this week, to partner with other orgs to be able to deliver on these outcomes. We look at policy, the opportunity to influence policy. Again, we are all here because of the public sector leadership related to climate. We want to support that. So in order to affect and encourage industry transformation across the industries that we serve, we believe that we need to support coalitions and policies that do so to a much greater degree to deliver on that equitable, resilient, and sustainable future.